Let's get on this bird and fly. Airbus A339. So 330-900. Cebu Pacific, an airline based in the Philippines. It has domestic as well as international flights. The cabin crew is back to wearing masks. New variant of COVID apparently. Vaccinated passengers not required to do that. Interior looks nice. Wide body. Airbus A330. Now all crew members are wearing masks. I suppose it's just the crew at the door wearing masks. No one else is. Nice clean airplane so far. A330neo-900 safety card, briefing card. Always familiarize yourself with it and listen to the in-flight cabin crew announcements. Being in an LCC, there's no free food, so you got to purchase, which is fine. If you're feeling peckish, look through the menu. I suppose there's pre-ordered meals, and then there's stuff that you can buy on board, basically snacks and drinks. And if you're looking for a vegetarian option, there isn't one, except for the deluxe egg sandwich if you're an egg eater. If you're not a vegan, you won't struggle. And apparently they have an in-flight magazine called Smile. I'll check some of that. I'll go through it. Just so fun and to kill time. 3 hours 45 minutes Singapore to Manila. Everything is basic food, everything is nice and clean. Okay, what you get is a USB port for charging your phones or any other personal devices. There's no in-flight entertainment. Not sure about the long-haul flights. And that's my water bottle. It's not something that they give you for free. You need to buy water if you feel thirsty.
Attention to your cabin crew, who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. Fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Fasten seatbelts securely, keep window shades open, and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine civil aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
Well, the return leg, I was able to purchase snacks on board. Not sure why they didn't. Well, maybe I missed it on the leg to Manila, but going back to Singapore on the same airline. And this is like a bundle. You get a drink, and then you get a bread of your choice and something called Mr. Chips, tortilla. It's about 220 pesos. So far, so good. Very nice, smooth flight. Good people, good service so far. The flight was delayed by about 45 minutes. No big deal. There's the volcano, middle of the lake. Flying over Tagaytay now, south of Manila. About 30 minutes from landing. 05:15 a.m. Can see some volcanic activity. There's a little bit of smoke coming out. Lovely green mountains. And we're on final approach to Manila International Airport. Landing gear down. Flaps extended. That's Manila City.
Cabin crew to landing stations.
Cityscape. I thought I wouldn't do a landing video, but here I am. Just couldn't resist. Pretty stable approach so far. Supposed to be nice and pleasant outside. Maybe the monsoon effect. It's 20 degrees Celsius. A lot cooler than Singapore from where I left. Alright, switch windows. I got two of them. Manila.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport in Philippines. We are now taxiing towards NAIA Terminal 3 for your proper and safe disembarkation. The local time is 40 minutes past the hour of 5 in the morning, and for your information, there is no time difference between Singapore and Manila.
There is no time difference. There should be, but there isn't. It's the same time as Singapore. What's my overall impression on my first ever flight on Cebu Pacific? Just like any other low-cost carrier, except that the meal service is a little different. They only give you pre-booked meals and they didn't do any sales, unlike other LCCs where they actually sell you beverages and meals. And I'm not sure exactly why that was on this sector. I'm flying back to Singapore on the same airplane. I'll have better impressions of what they're about. Otherwise, comfortable flight, comfortable airplane. Just a little bit of turbulence in between. Everyone behaved, had their seatbelts on, no incident. This is the arrivals and transfers area. You've seen all this before. So I'll leave you here. Have a great day or evening, wherever you are. Take care of yourselves and each other. Ciao for now.